Good day everyone, my name is Jean Marlwin El Gamboa. I'm the programmer in this group. I'm responsible for making the program and explaining the program in our Arduino.
Good day everyone, my name is Arshad Tajihid. I am one of the designers in our Arduino project.
Good day everyone, my name is Jerovic A. Ballesteros. I am the documentator of this group. I am responsible for checking and managing the Arduino hardware and software, checking the condition of each components.
Good day everyone, I'm Luis Enrico, A. Quintos, and I'm one of the Arduino designers. And together,
We are the Group 4 BGQA TRONIX.
Arduino project number 14. This project is all about an Arduino IR control diode project that uses an Arduino, an IR receiver, and a remote to wirelessly control lights. The IR receiver detects signals from the remote, which the Arduino processes to control LEDs. The Arduino code decodes the IR signals, compare them to predefined codes, and perform actions like turning LEDs on or off. So let's go ahead and start the Arduino project number 14.
Hey everyone, this will be the items that will be needed in building Arduino project number 14, Imprinted Control Light. First, the DFR Arduino Uno R3. This will be our main components in building Arduino project number 14, Imprinted Control Light. Next, the jumper cable meant to make, used to connect the Arduino breadboard and all electronics components, so power and signals can flow. Resistor 220 ohms. Currently emitting resistor to the LED. It prevents too much current from flowing, protecting the LED from burning out. The 5mm LED acts as the light bulb of the Arduino. It turns on and off based on the signal received from the integrated remote. Next, IR receiver module detects the imprinted signal sent by the remote control and send the decoded signal to the Arduino for processing. And last but not least, the mini IR remote controller. The input device. It sends imprinted signals with specific codes when you press its buttons. The Arduino interprets these signals and controls the LED accordingly. Good day everyone. Today we're going to build the Arduino project number 14, the imprinted control light. First, insert the IR receiver. Diode positive in 5 pin and the negative 6 pin, and last in the 7 pin. The second, the 5mm LED. Insert the negative and positive leg to the 13 and the 12 pin. Next, the resistor 200 ohms. Insert in 12 pin. Next, the jumper cable, insert it in the ground to 13 pin. Next, the jumper cable, insert it in the 10 pin and 8 pin. The next jumper cable, insert it to 11 pin into IR receiving. Next, another jumper cable, insert it in the negative leg in a IR receiver to the ground and the last jumper cable, insert it in a 5 volts and insert it to the positive leg of IR receiver. And that's it. This will be our Arduino design for project number 14, the inverted control line.
So this is the code behind our Arduino project number 14. Infrared receiving tool. Include IR remote H. This is to include IR remote in the library. Int receive pin equals to 11. IR receiver pin. Int LED pin equals to 10. This is the LED pin. Bool LED state equals to false. Track LED state. IR receive pin. This is to define our IR receiver object. Decode results. Variable to store results. Void setup. Serial begin 9600. To start serial monitor at 9600 volt. IR receive enable IRIN. To start the IR receiver. Pin mode LED pin output. To set LED pin as an output. Void loop. If IR receive dot decode end results, this is to check if data is received. Serial.println results dot value hex. Print received value in hex. If results dot value is equals to 0x FF30CF, this is to repeat signal. LED state not equals to LED state, to toggle the state. Digital write LED pin, LED state. This is to toggle LED when receiving specific IR code. IR receive dot resume. To prepare to receive the next value.
You you can see in this final output, it shows that clicking the number 1 in a mini controller, it received in an IR receiver and turning on the 5M LED. This will be our final output for project number 14, imperative control light.